Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off dark mode in YouTube. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to just make sure you have YouTube open if you don't already have it open here. And you want to go select the three-dotted icon on the right side where if you hover over it, it should say settings. If you are signed into your account, you can just select your user account icon as well just by left clicking on it. And then once you've selected either the settings icon that you see here or your user icon, should just be a little letter that signifies your first initial of your first name. And you want to go select where it says dark theme. Go ahead and just select that. And you're going to want to toggle this to the on position, so just left click inside the oval one time to turn it on. And there you go. So now YouTube is in dark mode. If you want to turn it off, just toggle it one more time to the off position. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.